Elderly couple killed and teen wounded in gun attack in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. The St. Anne police have launched a manhunt for a gunman who killed an elderly man and his wife at their home in Claremont in St. Anne's on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as 68-year-old David Nemhard and his wife, 61-year-old Thelma Nemhard, both of Woodside District in Claremont. A teenager was also injured in the shooting in the rural St. Anne's community. Reports are that sometime on Wednesday evening, the Nemhard along with the female teen were at their Woodside home when a gunman entered and opened fire, hitting them. The gunman then fled the scene. The police were alerted and the wounded persons were taken to hospital where the couple was pronounced dead. The teenager was admitted in stable condition. The St. Anne police are examining whether the fatal gun attack was related to a domestic dispute. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.